Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got a freshwater trade-in here today. This one is actually less than a year old. Purchased October 29th, 2024. Just had a fresh oil change, gear lube. He's switching over to a Yamaha. Just doesn't like the troll feature on this one, and that's just the cold, honest truth. This is a DF50ATL5. 20-inch. This is a tiller model. It does have the upgraded tiller handle, displays your RPMs right here, also gives you a check engine, low oil, and overheat warning lights. Has 54 hours on it, and we'll go ahead and get this thing fired up here. Get some water. And it does have tilt and trim right here at the top of the tiller handle. Give it a second here. Go ahead and put it forward. It is going to clunk and make a little bit of noises just because there's no back pressure on it. I don't want to over rev it or high rev it or anything, just showing it works. It is still under warranty until October 29th, 2029. And we are a Suzuki dealer. We can register it over to you. Put it back in neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.